Economics is the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means. Economics is a science. It is, according to Robbins, economics is a social science. How it is a social science? Because it studies human behavior. Human behavior are unpredictable. So, and as human is studied, so it is social. And science, because scientific methods are applied to study human behavior. Therefore, it is a science. Social science, because it studies human behavior by applying scientific methods. It is not a natural science. How it is not a natural science? Because it does not study matter or biology, or it does not study nature. It studies human behavior. In natural science, we perform controlled experiments, whereas human behavior cannot be controlled. Secondly, according to Robbins, there is a relationship between ends and scarce means. Ends means wants. Multiple ends means people have multiple ends, too many wants, and means are always scarce. Means are always scarce. So now you have choices, and there is opportunity cost as well. When you choose one, you have to lose the other one. When you choose to study, you choose not to work. Means you find it difficult to work and study at the same time. This is always happens. Mostly it happens that you can't study and work together. With concentration, you can't study. If you study, you can't work with concentration. So it happens mostly. So there is an opportunity cost. There is always an opportunity cost. Let's suppose you are doing business. If you are doing business, you can't do job. Or you opt to do, you choose to do job, you can't do a business. So there is always something opportunity cost. What you lose is your opportunity cost. So according to Robbins, there are always alternatives, choices, where you have to choose among the wants. What type of wants do you need? Because the resources are limited, and these resources cannot be applied to all the wants. You cannot use these resources on all the wants. You have to be confined. Your constraint is limited resources. With that limited resources, you have to be efficient. You have to efficiently use these limited resources to get the maximum out of it, and you have to choose the most desirable wants, which is the most desirable need of yours.